Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a notification bell that is beside that button. I recommend that you press it. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see a picture and the description title there. You simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and takes you right to the video. So it's a really cool feature. I use it, I enjoy it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, today's video is on the Ipsy Glam bag, which is what I consider the entry level into subscription boxes, because this is where I started. It was a $10 a month bag. Now it is $12. It includes the freight, no taxes, it's straight $12. What's great about this is it is filled with 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes they throw in a full size in here, but even on this $12 bag, you get to customize one of the products. I love this because it is an entry-level price that enables you to have the fun of receiving a subscription box, but it also enters you into the Ipsy world where you do gain all the other benefits as well. You get to have access to the add-ons, you have access to the shoppers, you have access to do reviews, which gives you points, that gives you free products. So it's just, to me, for $12 a month, if you want to get a subscription box, this is always where I recommend that you start. So all of the bags come with the Ipsy bags, be it if you get the $12, the mid-range one, which is $25, which is full-size products, and then the ultimate, which is a mix of full-size and deluxe size. They all come with makeup bags, but they're all different sizes. So depending on the size of the bag, so this smaller bag will be the smallest one, middle, and then the larger bag. But what they are doing is the quality of the bags, to me, have really gone up a notch, because the same material that they're using in this bag, they're using in all the other bags as well. So you're getting the same type of fabric, the same patterns. It's just either the bag is bigger or the zipper's in a different part and things like that. But what I love is that they're using the same material in the $12 bag that they're using in the $50 bag. So I think it's really nice. They usually have their name on a toggle on the outside, but they usually also, yeah, they do have their name inside here as well. And this is a fully lined bag. So I think they did great this month. And the theme this month is called Clean Slate, and it looks like a marble slate. So really, really cool. So that's the first item that is in here, and that is not considered one of 5. That is, you get in the bags. Okay, as a bonus in whichever bag you get. So this is what it says here. It says clean slate. This is your year. Say goodbye to what no longer serves you, your habits, your feelings, any expired mascara, and invite in the new start, your year on a path that sets your dreams to come true. So this is how they're starting January 2020. It says dream big, win big, and then they have if you want to be part of a contest and things like that. So that's what's here. Inside here is a brief description of the products that are in the bag, as well as the prices if it is a full size item. So usually in these small bags, we don't get any pricing. So I'm going to see if anything's changed. I haven't. All I did was open up the bag and put the products out. I haven't looked at anything. I want to share that with you guys. So the first item that's in here, and I'm going to be looking down to the card and then pulling the product up to show you. It is, it says your 5 glam bag picks have arrived and the future is already looking beautiful. The first item is from Nomad Cosmetics. It is, I think, a collaboration with a person named Marrakesh Medina, which is an intense eyeshadow in desert sand. It says no time for your winter getaway. These products will inspire by beautiful destinations around the world, and it is a shimmery golden amber. It's named for the vast sands in the Sahara Desert. It is a finely milled powder, and it's made with a moisturizing argan oil and blends easily for a crease-proof color. They have a tip where it says sweep this shadow all over the lids along your lash line, or use it to highlight your inner eye corners. They mention that it is a deluxe sample, which they never used to write on the card, so I do appreciate that. And they're also putting on here now the value of the full size. So I think that's fantastic. So it says the value of the full size palette, including this shade, is a $37 palette. So if you end up liking the shade or even just the consistency of the shadow, you know that you can get a full-size palette for $37. They never did that before, and I love that they do that because we never knew what the prices were. So, I mean, I was surprised once when I fell in love with the serum, and then I looked to purchase it, and it was like over $180 something. So it's nice to know that they're writing that now, and I think that's great. Okay. Also, another thing that blows my mind, including when we get the full size, but really when we get deluxe sample size, that they actually put it in a box, a full colored, expensive looking box. So even if you're going to give this as a gift to somebody, I think it is such a nice little added feature. The other thing is that they put even an extra piece of styrofoam in this to make sure that the product doesn't get shattered. So it's unbelievable, the extras that we're getting in a deluxe sample size. This is what it looks like here, and this is what the back looks like. And like they told us, this is in the color Desert Sand, and they're saying it is an intense eyeshadow. And there's no mirror on the top. That's what the product looks like here, and it's embossed, so it's really, really pretty. And oh, beautiful. And it felt beautiful. It felt very, very silky, and I'm not seeing any fallout at all. And that's what that color looks like here. Oh, it's stunning. Oh my God, that's one swipe and I still have. Really, really pretty. Well, I just got introduced to a brand new formula and a brand new company, and like it's called Nomad. Very, very nice. All right, the next item that's here is from Belle Pierre. And that's what it looks like here. Also, full retail package. That's what the top looks like. And the color, I think, is Envy, which is down here. And just beautiful. Okay, and what's written on the box here, it says it's distributed by Belle Pierre Cosmetics. They're out of California. They also have something in the UK, but the product is made in China. So, like I said, the name is Belle Pierre Cosmetics. They're saying it is a lipstick in the color Envy. And just, I don't know, I do this, and I should mention, I use a little tweezers to help me open up my box lids. And I find I don't have crazy damaged boxes anymore since I started that. And I don't know why I started that. I think I had a tweezers on the table, and that's what I started doing. And someone mentioned to me what a great idea, and they mentioned it on their channel, which I thought was really fun. Okay, this is it here, and the tube is stunning. It has like an embossed, like that, what do you call it? That Chanel type of quilting. That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, all right, and that's the color there. Let's do a little swatch. Oh, it went on like cream, like velvet. That was one swipe. I'm gonna do a double swipe so you can see that it's a little bit darker if you want it to be. That is beautiful. Wow. And this looks like a full-size lipstick to me. So like I said, a lot of times they put in this $12, which they call deluxe samples, but to me this is full size. But let's see what they wrote. So they're saying it is a mineral lipstick in the color Envy. It says, we're always searching for a hydrating lip color come winter, and this nourishing formula is proof that makeup can look beautiful and be healthy for you. It's versatile rosy brown shade that is infused with vitamin C and E to get your lips pillowy soft and protect them from damage with every swipe. They're saying the tip is to prep your lips with an exfoliating scrub to get them smooth. They suggest a sugar and honey works wonders if you're in a pinch. And it is a full size. It's marked here. It's a full size, and the value of this is $20, and that is in a $12 bag. that is a win. Okay, that's the second item. The third item was my pick. I was so excited to choose this. It is from Morphe. It is, I chose it in the color C2.25. That's what it looks like here. I'm hoping it's good because they had add-ons also this in my little area when I chose my products. On the 2nd of every month, Ipsy introduces you to your 3 bags. If you want, you can go in and you can look what is going to be in your bags. I always do that so I can look in all 3 of my bags. On my channel, you'll see the 3 different bags, the $12, the $25, and the $50. And I go into each one to make sure that if I didn't receive something that I wanted that's available in the add-ons, that's why I check what I'm going to be getting so that I can add add-ons if I feel there's something missing in the bag that I wanted. And ironically, this color that I chose as my pick was not, maybe because I chose it as my pick, but it wasn't even an option in the colors listed. So I think I chose as an add-on for $3. And I usually choose the add-ons at $3. I paid $3 for a different color in case this one wasn't the right color for me, because choosing colors is so hard when it comes to foundation and concealers. Okay, so this one, like I said, is 2.5. It's called Soft Matte, and it says it's called Fluidity. It is a full coverage concealer. So let's check this here. Okay. Yeah, I think this is full size. This is, the packaging is just stunning. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. This here, it says dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your skin concern. This concealer covers with ease the long-wearing formula. It's totally water-resistant, transfer-resistant, sweat-proof, up to 16 hours. Plus, it's free from harmful ingredients like parabens and skin irritants like synthetic fragrances. The tip they say is to use this concealer brush to also clean up lipstick or your brow edges after applying your products. And they're saying it is a full size and the value is only $9. What a great price for a concealer. So if you love this, this is not going to break the bank. Wow. Okay, let's do a swipe over here. It is it's like a doe foot applicator, but it is flat. This color, I think, might be good. All right, that's what the color is here, and that's what the color looks like in the tube. Really excited. So I don't know what I chose on my add-ons, but when I do my add-on videos, I'll keep this one out here so we'll be able to see it. And this also came in a full retail box, so that's another win. All right, the next item that I received was from this brand called Han Hu, which is a bubble up peeling pad with collagen. I got introduced to this brand in a small sample also from Ipsy, and it was a night sleeping mask, and it truly it impressed me. So when I see this brand now, it is one that I'm becoming familiar with, and I'm looking forward to trying something else from this brand because I was impressed with that product. It reminded me a lot of the Glow Recipe watermelon mask, the one that I had a sample of, and I used it all the way to the end. And when I do that, I know it's something that I loved. So this is this here. So this says on the card, this double-sided foaming pad from Han Hu is one of the most unique products that you'll try. It will clean, exfoliate, and even out your skin tone in one easy step. Plus, it's infused with healthy ingredients like witch hazel to shrink your pores and enzyme powder to gently dissolve dead skin cells. They're saying the tip is to cleanse, massage, and with the embossed side onto the skin in circular motion. To exfoliate, use the mesh side. And they're saying this is also a full-size product, and it is a $4 value. So that's really great. So one side has the quilting, one side for the exfoliation. So this will be a lot of fun to play with. Okay, and the last item that I have in my box is from the company called H2O in Beauty. It's saying it's an Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. And that must be what this guy is here. and this guy looks like a deluxe sample size. So I think I got 3 full-size products and 2 deluxe sample sizes. Unbelievable. Okay, it says it's the season for serious skin quenching formulas, and it's moisturizing pack treatment for thirsty skin experts. The H2O Plus is proven to double your skin's hydration levels up to 24 hours, which is pretty major. It says, plus the lightweight texture absorbs in seconds to leave you looking plump and smooth and never greasy. The tip is to use this after cleansing, toning, and apply your serum and make the most of its benefits. They're saying it is a deluxe sample, and they're saying the value of the full size of this product, which would be a 1.7 ounce, is $42. And what they gave us here is 0.34 US fluid ounces or 10 mils. So let's massage gently onto the face and neck, use day and night, and when weather conditions leave the skin feeling dehydrated. Really exciting. Wow, it even has a safety seal, a deluxe sample with a safety seal. Unbelievable. Okay, let's open her up. And that's what the tube looks like there. And let's just take a little bit out. It has a blue tinge to it. This is so exciting. Okay, and H2O Plus Beauty. I am being introduced to that in this box, and I am excited. Wow, it feels like a lightweight lotion, so it's not a heavy moisturizing. It truly feels like those water creams. Really, really pretty. So we have the Nomad eyeshadow. I have the Belle La Pierre lipstick in Envy. I have the H2O lotion on my hand, as well as the Morphe concealer. And then we have the hand mask, and of course the gorgeous bag. So I think, like I said, this is an absolute win. I enjoy Ipsy, and Ipsy introduced me to so much. And like I said, Ipsy, this bag is where everything started for me. So really, really enjoyed it. So please share in the comments down below if you received any of the same items, as well as if you enjoyed this Ipsy $12 bag as much as I do. All right. Once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for spending some time with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.